India is a country driven by heritage and legacy. We have been woven together with legendary craftsmanship for centuries. Art and the artisan aren't really very separate when it comes to creating couture. Indian couture has continuously evolved for decades, put together by royal artisans, reimagining beauty with elaborate cultural depictions.
Hyundai CRETA has been an icon on wheels. Its presence and performance has been ultimate and undisputed. 2025 marks the completion of 10 legendary years of CRETA on Indian roads. Built to be timeless, styled with precision, weaving brilliant memories for more than 1.2 million families. Hyundai takes pride in celebrating Indian craftsmanship, highlighting the legends, Indian craftsmen and Hyundai CRETA.
It's the highest level of fashion in the country and inspires all the other levels to sort of move forward. And I'm sure technology, Hyundai follow the same sort of principles of excellence.
Celebrating the true spirit of India, celebrating 10 years of CRETA. Legend forever.